Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily fix fail to accept family invite on your Steam client. Let's begin. First, this actually happens because Steam has a system that they can actually detect if you're in close proximity with that family member, and that's how it works. So, how to fix this? Go over here, click on Steam, but before that, I want you to make sure that you will log out of your own personal account, okay? And then use your friends or family members' account. You can let them log in into your PC or laptop, okay? And once done, click over here, click on Steam, go to settings, and then choose family right over here, click on it. And then if you haven't created any family or Steam family yet, go ahead, create one. And then I want you to click on invite family member, right? Once you click on that option, then go ahead, search for your own username, then invite yourself, your account, using your friend's account that is currently logged in your device or computer. Once done, you can now go back, close everything, head over to your personal account. Everything should now be working. Every family member should now be available to play. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.